We see endless potential in wind. Our technology powers more than 110 million homes globally. As wind farms grow and subsidies end, efficient new remuneration schemes need to be found, which request advanced and secure control solutions.
Many of these wind assets are remote. They are in harsh environments. It's hard to get there to maintain those assets. Cybersecurity cannot be an afterthought. Control is really key. Our Omnivise T3000 system includes powerful security features. It includes secure architecture, a monitoring and detection capabilities built inside. Our core vulnerability detection capabilities. We bring all those things together to be able to provide protection, monitoring, and response in a single system.
OEM not only offers the tool, but also the content. In reliability, we offer the asset template library. OEM is based in reliability center maintenance, where we are trying to optimize as much as possible the maintenance task. By creating predictive maintenance tasks, you are going to anticipate the failure before it occurs.
Omnivise for Wind complements MySite 360 by implementing various components. It helps to optimize and enhance the operation of wind power plants.
MySite 360 is a comprehensive solution for wind power to control the wind park, optimize energy production, and optimize availability. The combination of MySite 360 and Omnivise together allows all assets on site to be controlled collectively, to have integrated and complementary cybersecurity and other services, so that it makes the customer's life easier to operate the power plant and ultimately get more results and more performance out of the power plant.
Subsidies are ending, and you need to be capable to extend the functionality to future needs, adding additional assets, opening new remuneration schemes for the customer's assets, and therefore helping him. We are supporting our customers in their journey for the transition to the decarbonization. More than 3,500 customers have installed Omnivise T3000 worldwide.
Hybrid energy systems contribute to the flexibility and efficiency of wind farms by introducing several different assets to wind farms, such as energy storage, power to X, other generation assets like solar PV, or compensation assets. These assets allow us to improve how wind farms can behave towards the grid, but they also allow us to create new sources of revenue for wind farms.
Siemens Energy, as the OEM of the wind power plant and also for other ancillary services, we're in a unique position where we can support customers from the start of the wind farm all the way through to its conclusion, through the entire life cycle, and also across the value chain. That's really, really powerful, and we can continually grow our services to meet future customer need.
We are driving the future of wind energy, partnering with our customers to push the boundaries and unlock new possibilities.